Maybe I should take it off.
Okay.
Go get him, son.
I'm on it.
You're like in the first one. You better not grab that flag. That'd be hilarious. You get one shot
I'm
at.
not grabbing that flag. I think they're turtling. I didn't see any.
I think he just went.
Got it.
Avenging anti-magic shell.
Why are you going this way? You never go this way. You never. Oh, I know what he's doing. He's going to just intercept them.
Cloak of shadows. Sprint.
Who's winning?
Cloak down.
No one's winning yet.
Evasion. Evasion.
Oh my god.
Big trinket.
Nah, he's gonna die. That's an easy kill. We'll get him.
Freedom down. Snow bomb.
Look at you.
Cloak of anti-magic shell.
You're targeting the hunter.
Dude, it just does that sometimes. It just randomly targets people. I don't understand that. See? Like right now. For no freaking reason.
Freedom.
Really? See? Like right now, he's not even... Oh yeah? Get back here. Kill this freaking...
He's about to run out of health. I should have killed him first.
Anti-magic shell.
That guy, that warrior's name is Dirty Diapers. Did you see that? Watch.
Big heal.
Throw some heals on you, boss.
Oh god, yeah, I do need to heal, don't I? Freaking A.
Divine Queen.
Take this guy out.
Cloak of shadows. Cloak down.
Why did he jump down? I'm freaking screwed. See ya.
Run it.
Freedom.
Oh, put free on.
Trinketed.
Trinket.
Ever justice.
Oh, he's in trouble. Oh, he left. Should have kept him over there. It's all, the whole team is there.
Yeah,
Dude,
you can't kill him.
They don't even have DPS.
Anti-magic shell.
They don't even have a DPS there.
Oh, I know. I'm getting tired of this. I'm getting out of here.
Go heal yourself.
Monumental.
Oh god.
Go heal yourself, fool.
Discovered. Dude, you know my cast time is just not that good. There's no way.